Nothing Phone is launching its new Nothing Phone 4B. It is a cheaper version of the original 4A model. It looks beautiful and pretty handy. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with a 2.3 GHz Octa-Core CPU. The smartphone has AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.77 inches screen size with a resolution of 1080 by 2344 pixels and 120 Hz refresh rate. There will be 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. There will be dual camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide. Front camera will be 16 megapixel. Battery will be 5200 mAh with 33 watt fast charging. Price is $377. It will carry the all new Nothing OS on Android 16 operating system. There will be IP64 dust and water resistant. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.